In this video, we're going to talk about a versatile and user-friendly online video tool that is perfect for beginners. The name of the tool is Clipchamp. It is a free all-in-one video editing tool that is designed for editing videos online. And with this tool, you can export unlimited watermark-free videos up to 1080p quality. Before we dive right in, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Head over to clipchamp.com and then click on try for free and sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you will come to this page, and then from here you can either create a new video from the scratch or you can create a video with the help of AI. Let's check out the create a new video first. This is a video editing page, and on the left side you'll find all the features. The first one is your media, where you can drag and drop your files here. So let's do that. So I'm gonna select all of these and then drag it here. To add a clip on the timeline, select the clip and then click on this plus icon. The next feature is record and create, where you can record your screen as well as your camera, your audio, and there is even text to speech feature. There is content library, where you can select all the shapes, stickers, backgrounds, images, frames and borders, and even overlays. If you need help in creating the videos, then your best option is gonna be the templates. Just click on it, and in here you'll find all the templates categorized for different platforms. There's YouTube, Instagram, for gaming videos, TikToks, and for all your social media accounts. After that, we have the text option, and in here you have all the different text templates. Select the template you like and then click on this plus icon. Click on your text and head over to your right, and in here you can enter your text. Select your font, and then you can select the size and then the color as well. And then from here you can set the position. After that, you have the fade option. You can fade it in and fade out. Alright, so if you go down, there are more options. So select the one you like the most. There is even an option for captions, and there are some special templates as well. I really like this countdown option, so let's add it to the timeline. Click and drag it to the front, and then adjust the length to the length of the video. To customize it, select the track and then head over to the right. You can select your font, change the size, the color, as well as the position. After that, you can select the count up option, and then you can even show minutes if you want. Alright, so after that, if you want to customize the video, you can do that by clicking on it and then head over to the right, and in here you'll find all the editing option. The first one is the audio, where you can select the volume of the video. After that, we have the fade option, where you can fade in or fade out. Next, you have the filter option, and in here you'll find a lot of different cool filters. So select the one you like the most and then just click on it. You can even add effects to your videos. You can make it loop if you want, or you can reverse it as well. If you click on multiple effects, then all the different effects will be applied to your video clip. So I've selected the spin, VHS, and let's just select one more. Now all the effects are combined. To remove any effects, simply click on it and the effect will get removed. After that, you have the color correction option, and in here you can adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature as well. The last option we have is to control the speed. In here you can make the video slower or you can make it faster. Alright, so now let's add one more clip, and then we're gonna use the transition. Go to your media and then select all the videos that you want. You can adjust the clip. Now to add the transitions, all you have to do is just select all the tracks and then head over to your right and click on transition. There are a lot of different options. Select the one you like the most. Alright, so let's say I want to change this transition. So I'll just click on it and then select a different one. Great. Let's just add these videos as well. And then add the transitions. Now we need to adjust the length of the timer. Make sure it's aligned properly. Now let's watch the video. Let's change the speed for this clip. Let's make it slower. Now to save the video, all you have to do is just click on export and then select your resolution. And there you have it folks, that was Clipchamp, your all-in-one online video editing tool. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in our next video.